Okay, this time.
I hate you.
Oh, it's potato too.
What about same I'm already
饭配鸡腿特别的好吃。等一下，它会把那个鸡肉还有那个摆在上面。
Guys,
Hello guys, we are drinking some like a homemade wine. Do you want to try?
Homemade wine.
Yeah, for sure homemade one. You should try that.
made in Turkey.
一本正经的提问。
How is it?
And for bay, you can go bay with
Oh my god, it's kind of like, I don't know, that reminds me of something.
They're really cool.
But it's
And you work there all the summer?
It's different.
yeah, it's like this kind of, like, that reminds me, I'm sorry, but of pickles.
Yeah, that's possible
No,
actually.
literally, it tastes kind of like pickle water, which is amazing because in Poland I drink it like pickle water.
Okay.
So,
Alicia!
the French people, of course.
Have a taste. How is it?
Turkish are really drinking
It
that.
smells like ketchup.
Yeah, like a pickles, right? Ketchup?
I don't know. What would you say, Philippe? I'm out.
Did you try? Give
really
comment,
takes
give
like
comment,
nice,
give
like-
comment.
Pickle water? It really does.
Because
It is, right? You're fucking with us, no? Yeah, of course they are. Of course they are. Yeah. Is it pickle water?
No, I actually like pickle.
Guys, it's nice. Not real life. I don't pull it like that.
这个是米饭、甜点，这两个是奶酪子，再配上红酒，鸡腿饭配上大饼，
Yeah, I mean, it should come from Istanbul. You can try. I cannot.
这个就是酱
Otherwise, maybe it's okay.
drinking cup lunch。
Thank you, awesome! You are great!
Thank you. And Anna. 两位大
Some
厨，
praise
摩洛哥大
Moroccan
厨。
guys!
For sure, we met with Anas like a while ago, and we appreciate meeting you and having you in our life in this experience in Istanbul here. We know that you're gonna leave so soon, and we are so sorry about it. And we wish you such a great life, and you start there in Vietnam.
Thank you.
And for sure, whenever you want you to come back to Istanbul, you have a family here. Even if we're not here, actually you are local here.
Okay.
Our spirit side.
So you have Dalhan, you have us, you have always brothers and sisters here, and for sure we love you so much.
Thank you. I will.
And take care of yourself, be successful in your life, and thank you so much for such a nice food as well.
Thank you.
I don't agree!
Azza as well.
As well, yes. 左边开始都是法国，法国，法国。这边是德国、波兰，还有哪里？还有巴勒斯坦、摩洛哥、土耳其。
Yeah, it sounds really same.
Oh, thank you.
You make it, I'm sorry.
Sorry, I can take. Yes.
I will eat this side.
这位是意大利，然后法国。Hi, sorry, is it too bright for you or okay? Thank you. 这个是鸡肉脆卷饼，哇，味道超级的好。下次一定要问一下他怎么做的，再出一个教程给你们，超级超级的好吃。
de se parler pour sa